guys, a very charm morning to one and all present here. This is Pranjal before you, and thank you very much sir for giving me this golden opportunity to stand in front of you. And today I am going to ready for rapid fire.
Well, hello Miss Pranjal.
Hello sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I'm doing good. Okay, so what are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays I am doing BSc first year in JH College, and apart from that I have joined Wisdom Education Academy for improve my personality development.
Okay, well, where are you from?
I am from Batul.
Okay, you are from Betul.
Yes.
Yeah. So is this your permanent address?
No, my permanent address no, but I belong to Mandai Bujurg.
You belong to
It
Mandai
is
Bujurg.
village.
Okay, so why do you live in Betul city?
Because my study going on, so nowadays I am from Batul.
So with who do you live in Betul?
My auntie and uncle.
So you live with your aunt and uncle.
Yes.
Okay, well, so are you happy nowadays?
Yes, I am happy.
Okay, what kind of girl you are? Are you a hardworking girl or lazy girl?
I'm a hardworking girl.
Hardworking girl. So how many hours do you study every day?
I have 2 and 3 hours study.
Okay, you study for 2 or 3
3
hours.
hours.
Okay, what do you want to become?
I want to become a government employee.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are dancing, playing games, and
So
singing.
you love dancing?
Yes,
So
I
which
do.
is your favorite dance?
My favorite dance is Bollywood dance.
Bollywood dance.
Yes.
In Bollywood also there are many types of dance. Okay, well, so tell me, are you a healthy girl?
Yes, I am healthy.
You follow healthy lifestyle?
Yes, I follow healthy lifestyle.
So do you generally avoid junk food, or you eat whenever you wish?
No, sometimes I eat junk food. So I like junk food, but sometimes.
So do you like fast food?
Yes.
So which is your favorite fast food?
My favorite fast food is golgappe.
Okay, so now I'm gonna ask you questions. What's your favorite? Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Three Idiots.
Which is your favorite chocolate?
My favorite chocolate is Dairy
Which
Milk.
is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Varun
Who
Dhawan.
is your favorite actress?
My favorite actor is
Who is
Alia.
your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Akash sir.
Okay. Who is your favorite city?
My favorite city is Ujjain.
Okay. And which is your favorite country?
MP is my favorite
MP is state. Country.
country.
India. Or
India.
India. Okay.
Yes.
So your favorite country is
Yes.
India. Okay. What o'clock do you wake up?
I wake up 5 o'clock.
Okay. Do you brush every day?
Yes.
Okay. How much time do you brush? How much time do you brush? 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes?
5 minutes.
So you brush for 5 minutes. Do you
Yes.
take bath every day?
Yes.
Okay. Which is your favorite soap?
My favorite soap is Lux.
Lux.
Yes.
Okay, Lux. All right. Okay, so do you play with children?
Yes, I play children.
Which game do you play with children?
I play badminton.
Okay, it was nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir.